What's up, J.O. Mafia?
It's your girl, Jazz.
And it's your boy, Otis, you guys. And today we got KFC fried chicken, you guys. And we gonna make all this into a
mukbang.
And we got a special surprise to put on this chicken. Y'all already know. We get this idea from Nikocado avocado, you know. And honestly, we are excited to do this.
Yes, I know I am.
Because look, y'all, we got the cheese sauce.
The cheese. Because I'm a cheese fan.
Y'all see that cheese? We got the cheese sauce.
And I like cheese.
So, before we get into this video, you guys.
Just a couple of things.
Exactly.
We need you to like this video.
Share this video.
Comment down below.
Hit that notification bell.
Beep. And don't forget to subscribe. Now, with that being said, let's hit y'all with the thumbnail.
Oh,
yeah, baby, baby, baby.
Y'all see it.
Oh, yeah, baby, baby, baby.
Oh.
Oh, get it on that cheese, boy. Boy. Woo, baby.
Y'all see that cheese?
It looks delicious. Delicious.
We're going to go ahead and get Jazz this.
Yes, this is our Arizona iced tea.
And this, because y'all know how she gets down.
We already know. All right, y'all, let's take this first bite. You ready, Otis?
Yeah, I'm actually really excited.
Let's take this first bite, DB. Y'all take that bite first. Wow. You can't go wrong with cheesy chicken.
Oh, man, y'all. This right here. Can't go wrong.
Hand me the cheese, sir.
I can't do it right now.
And I'm going to reach over you.
Why you need cheese?
Like it extra cheesy. What you talking about?
So, yeah, y'all. Man. Aaliyah started school. The first day was she came back really excited to tell us what she done and all that.
I think she would let her go full days, but because when she woke up this morning, she was like, Mom, I'm ready to go to school. I'm like, Leah's school doesn't start until 12:25. For the next 3 hours, she was like, can I go to school now? Can I go to school now? So I'm just excited that she's happy about school, you know, for the most part.
Yeah. And of course, like, they got a bathroom up inside the
classroom?
The classroom, so the kids don't really have to.
Babe, pass that cheese over here.
Yeah, she did her first day, y'all. Man. She already making little friends and stuff.
Well, no, we dropped her off. I cried a little bit, y'all, yesterday. I cried. I did.
It felt different. Like, me and Jazz haven't been able to do stuff at this time without her since we first started really dating before a kid. And
We're
like,
just being us.
Yeah, like you look behind, you don't even see her. All you see is her car seat.
No. Don't do it, Leah. Stop it, Leah. What you want, Leah?
Yep.
None of that.
Daddy, we need to make a stop because I got pee. Nah, yeah.
Yeah, and then when I was like walking her into school, she was like, Mom, you don't have to hold my hand. I just want to walk. I almost cried.
Ooh.
And then when the teacher was like, okay, tell mom and dad bye. She's like, bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
I knew this day would come, y'all.
But I had to tell myself, at least she's not going off to college yet. So, I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, I miss my baby.
Now, when she goes off to college, I ain't going to know what to do with myself. Yeah, see that, y'all?
Yeah, so salute to all the parents. They got kids in college.
Salute to y'all.
I guess they got these vegan, they got the vegan, chicken at KFC. Yep. And honestly, y'all, KFC is it's a hit and miss.
What you feel about the chicken today?
It's better than most times we have it.
Is it because we had it with cheese?
No, it ain't that. I think it's just I think they just had time to really cook it. Like a lot of people at work and stuff like that, so it was fresh.
Right.
And I think that just makes a difference. But honestly,
oh snap! I think I lost my chicken, y'all.
it ain't like my preferred place to go for chicken. Some people like KFC, you know?
That's true.
Man.
That's some good stuff, y'all.
So how many of y'all got kids that's up in 4K this year? Or how was you guys
Experience.
putting your kids in school for the first time this year?
Or in general, you know, it don't even have to be this generation. It could have been last. You know. I knew Aaliyah would have been good with. I knew that Aaliyah wouldn't have cried. I knew that either me or Otis was gonna cry. I cried. I broke down when we had to leave. We were leaving, and I seen Aaliyah sitting at that table with all the little kids, and she was just like, "Bye, Mom." I was like, "Oh, my babe."
Yeah, that's the heartbreaking part, y'all. Seeing your kid just, you know, I remember her just, you know, being with us everywhere we went, you know, car seat. And now, you know, you can drop her off in school and, you know, somebody else is taking care of your kids.
Well, she's learning, you know. It's just something that I knew was coming. She was excited for. I was excited for her.
Y'all already know what I'm about to do.
He always gotta eat my stuff.
It tastes better when Jazz break it. It just tastes better.
Oh, baby. The iced tea hit it. The right spots. How many of y'all excited for fall?
Not me.
See, I don't understand that because his birth, he a fall baby, so I don't get it. Why he always say that?
I don't like fall.
I love fall.
I don't like it.
My favorite time of the year is summer.
People start getting that pumpkin spice, and you smell pumpkin spice everywhere. I don't like all that.
You don't like the smell of pumpkin spice? I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of pumpkin spice either.
I hate all that. Now, if it was like sweet potato pie spice,
Yeah, that's a,
you know, it'll be a hit.
yeah.
But all of them, you know, it smell like this and cinnamon. I love the smell of cinnamon, but they be doing too much. Every store you go into. And next month, they'll damn near be playing Christmas songs.
Now, y'all know this Aaliyah's favorite time of the year, too. She love Halloween. I love Christmas, too. I love making hot chocolates and by the fire, decorating. Yeah.
I like spiking all my drinks with alcohol. I'm just keeping it real. What you talking about? You got cheese right there, little girl.
Where?
Right there.
Get it.
Nope.
I can't see it, so get it.
Nope. Y'all better help her. Come on, babe. I'm telling y'all, Jazz, it never fails.
It was bound to happen.
It was bound to happen, y'all.
So kick rocks.
Oh, we.
Whew.
Yeah, man. I am.
I'm gonna take a little bite of this, then I'm done.
Whew. Wow.
And I take this last bite for y'all.
Yeah.
Here y'all go.
Take one little bite for y'all. Here y'all go. The cheese cooling off.
Yeah.
It's y'all pretty cool now. Wow.
That hit the spot. The spot.
But honestly, I think they got rid of some of the spices with this chicken.
What you mean? That's original.
And I know. They must have got rid of one of the original sauces. What you talking about?
I guess.
You know what? They should start making all their chicken in the air fryer. Just put a big old air fryer. And I swear. It should be a restaurant right now that cook all their chicken in the air fryer. Sign me up. Because I love my chicken in the air fryer now. I don't really like it up in the grease no more. But if you in Chicago or somewhere, that's how I got to have it. You know what I mean? But honestly, maybe they could do their thing without putting it in grease.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I wish I was able to buy some mild sauce. And I'd dump all this chicken with some mild sauce, bro. I swear, the fries, everything, dip it in mild sauce. If y'all don't know what mild sauce is, look it up. I'm telling y'all, mild sauce is a hit. It's a Chicago thing, and it tastes good. It's like sweet, a little spicy.
It's so...
At the same time, it's like super good, though. On fried chicken, it's a hit.
And on fish.
Yep, it's a hit on fish, too. Catfish, tell y'all. Some people like they Harold. Some people like they Uncle Remus. Some people like they Sharks. You know, but everybody knows Harold's chicken. Everybody knows Harold's chicken. A lot of people know Sharks too because they got Sharks like in other places. But maybe Sharks is. I don't know if they got Sharks at other places. I don't know. I don't know.
But yeah, y'all, we finna get ready to end this.
Yeah, we about to end this video. But before we end this video, we need y'all to do a couple things.
Just a couple of things.
We need y'all to
like this video.
We need y'all to
share it.
We need y'all to
comment down below.
Hit that notification bell.
Bing! And don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, how you want to end it, Otis?
We're going to end it with
love, peace, and soul train. Peace.